A 5-minute review would have saved my client and could save you thousands of dollars and months worth of legal headaches. I spoke with a new client last week. His wife had passed away a few years ago. They'd been married for decades, and he thought that everything was taken care of. He met with a lawyer in Massachusetts who put their home into a nominee trust, which is probably one of the more basic forms of estate planning that you can do. But no one had ever asked if they owned property in any other states, and they did. And in fact, they owned a hunting cabin in Maine. Now, the problem is the deed was missing 2 key words, the words joint tenants. So when his wife died, her half didn't pass to him automatically like it would have. It actually stayed in her name. Now he has to probate her estate in Massachusetts and open a second probate in Maine just to sell the cabin. Because of the delay, he lost the buyer that he already had under contract. And all this could have been avoided with a simple 5-minute check, pulling his deed and confirming that there was a right of survivorship built into the deed with joint tenants, tenants by the entirety, or some similar language. And in his case, it should have been caught when he bought the property, and again when they set up the trust for their primary residence. If you own real estate with somebody else, take 5 minutes and find your deed and check how it's titled. Consulting with an attorney is always a good idea. And if you own property in more than one state, you should talk to a lawyer who's going to look at the whole picture. An experienced attorney can save you a lot of time, money, and heartache before it's too late.